Hi, Redeemer family. We put together a little video to show you what happens when we do small group communion so that everybody gets a better understanding of how that works. So let's journey through this video together. This might be what it looks like when you come in to see us for small group communion. This is the communion table set for 2 people. Each time you come in for communion, it'll be set up a little bit differently depending on the number of participants that we have and if we have participants that are in the same household as each other. Those folks can sit together. Those not from the same household will need to be set at 6 feet apart. So each communion service can look a little bit differently. We are being very careful to follow all the directives given us by those people who know what they're doing, CDC, Governor's Office, our county executive, and overall best practices. We want to make this safe for you. I start by washing my hands, and I actually wash my hands several times in preparation. And we now have a water heater in the sacristy, so it's now with hot water and antibacterial soap. I will wear gloves and a face covering in preparing communion for you. When you come in, on your chair will be the order of service for each person. We'll ask at the end of the service that you either deposit those into the trash can or take them home with you. They are not reused to prevent cross-contamination. When you arrive, your communion will be prepared on a paper plate, disposable communion cup, and then the paper plate is on a napkin and the communion is covered with a napkin. Just before time for communion, the napkin on top, I call it the veil, is removed. We go through the order of service. There is a mass consecration of elements, and then one person or one family at a time can come up and receive communion. Then I ask you to protect me by picking up your paper goods and depositing them in the trash as you walk away from the table. Once you're back on your seats, we'll do the dismissal for the whole group and a closing prayer and benediction. The chairs and table are sanitized after each communion, and we wait at least 4 hours before offering another communion as given recommendation by the CDC. And of course, pre-registration is a must. We are using a thing called Sign Up Genius to do the pre-registrations. You can find the link to our particular small group communion on Sign Up Genius on our website. Just you'll see the picture, click on it, it'll take you right there. When you sign up, if you're signing up on behalf of multiple people, we just ask that you select the number of seats that you want. And also, if that for some reason doesn't work for you, just email me or call me and we'll get sign up done for you with no problem whatsoever. Just one final word. We put together this video to answer questions and hopefully ease concern. But I want to be very clear, at no time do we want anyone to feel uncomfortable about the idea of coming to communion. You come to communion if you feel comfortable doing so, and if not, then know that we're praying for you and stay home, stay safe. We just, again, wanted to make sure everybody knew how this happens. God bless you. We will see you soon.